Have you tried losing weight with little success? You're not alone. It can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Let's break it down into simple steps. First, focus on your diet. Eating fewer calories than you burn is key. Choose whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. These foods are filling and nutritious. Next, increase your physical activity. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise daily. This could be walking, jogging, or even dancing. Find something you enjoy. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Sometimes we confuse thirst with hunger. Staying hydrated helps control cravings. Getting enough sleep is also crucial. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones, increasing your appetite. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Consider tracking your progress. Use an app or journal to monitor your weight loss journey. This keeps you motivated and accountable. For example, if you replace sugary drinks with water, you'll save calories. Exercising daily can help you shed pounds faster. Small changes lead to big results. In summary, focus on your diet, increase activity, stay hydrated, sleep well, and track progress. Remember, consistency is key. Ready to start your weight loss journey? Take the first step today.